Module 9 in our Introduction to Financial Accounting class is about liabilities. And primarily, this module is about bond accounting. And before we do a deeper dive into what are bonds and what does bond accounting looks like, we need to understand this concept called time value of money. And basically, this means that a dollar today is worth more than a dollar tomorrow. Let's take an example. So let's say this is today. We'll say this is year 0. This is 1 year from today, so year 1. And this is 2 years from today, so year 2. And someone makes you an offer and they say they can give you $100 today, or they'll give you $120 2 years down the road. So if you do not have any urgent monetary needs, a rational person will go with this option, which is taking more money later. That is $120. Now, what you can do instead is you can take this $100 and then put it into your savings account, let's say. And let's say your bank offers you 10% interest on your savings account. So what is going to happen is after year 1, so at year 1, so you put $100 into your account and the interest rate is 10%. So your money will be worth, so you'll earn $10, and then after year 1, you will have 100 plus the $10, $110. And then in year 2, again, you will earn 10% interest. This time you will earn 10% on the accumulated amount that you have, $110, and you will earn $11 in interest. And then after year 2, you will have a total of $110 from year 1 plus $11 and $121. So you're better off taking the $100 today, putting it into your savings account, earning the interest, and then 2 years later, you will have more money. And this increase in your ending money, $121, is because of compounding interest. So basically, compounding interest means that you're earning interest on your already earned interest. So in the first year, your principal was $100, so you earned $10 interest on it. And the next year, you're not only earning interest on your principal, which was $100, you're also now earning interest on the interest that you earned last year. So 100 plus $10 interest. So now you are earning $11 in interest in the second year. We also have a time value of money formula, which goes like this. Future value, which is FV, is equal to present value into 1 plus I is the interest rate over N, which is number of compounding periods per year, and then N times T. T is the number of years. So if we input our values into this formula, so present value, which is the money that we are investing today, is $100 into 1 plus I, interest rate was 10%, and the number of compounding periods per year was 1. It could be 12, it could be 3, it could be 4, it depends. And then, so that will be 1, and then 1 times, so the number of years is 2. So we'll get 100 into 1.10 power of 2. And then this will come out to be 100 into 1.21. which is equal to $121. Now, this formula, this tells us how much money we can invest today and then how much it will be worth in future. Now we can rewrite this formula like this. So we'll bring these values over here. So this will become like this. So present value is equal to future value over 1 plus I over n into n times t. Then this formula can tell us that if we want a certain amount of money in future, how much do we need to invest today? So again, if we plug in the numbers into this formula, so we know our future value was $121 from up above. Then we can go 1 plus, again, same thing, 10% over 1, and then 1 times 2. So it'll be 121 over so this will be 1.10 power 2, and then 121 over 1.21, which comes out to be $100. So you can see, if we want $121 in future, and the interest rate we also know is 10%, today we need to invest $100.